morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 18, Hereditary. Last video we saw the same unit in the types of chromosome. This video we are going to see karyotype, structure of DNA, Watson and Crick model of DNA, DNA replication, significance of DNA. Let's see one by one in detail. First one, normal human karyotype. Karyotype means number, size, shape of the chromosome. The number of chromosome in any living organism, plant or animal, is a constant. In human, each cell contains normally 23 pair of chromosomes. Out of 23, 22 chromosomes are autosomes, that is body chromosome. The 23rd chromosome is determining the sex. Sex means male or female. That is allosome. Already we studied types of chromosome, autosome and allosome. In the body cell, sexually reproducing organisms, the chromosomes generally occur in pair. Body cell, the chromosomes occur in pair. For example, you see the diagram, first one, pair chromosomes are there. But this is called diploid in nature. The gamete, for example, sperm or egg, that is gamete produced by the organism contains single chromosome. There is not pair, that is haploid. Double chromosome is there means diploid. Single chromosome is there means that is haploid. Karyotype is the number, size, shape of the chromosome. The diagrammatic representation is called ideogram. The karyotype contains all the metaphysis arrangement. You see the diagram, all the chromosomes are arranged according to the size, shape, stature, thickness, position of centromere, shape, etc. with the sex chromosome placed at the end. Allosome is placed at the end. 23rd chromosome is allosome. Structure of DNA. DNA is the hereditary material. It contains genetic information. DNA is the most important thing of a chromosome. Mostly by accepted model of DNA is the double helical structure. It is discovered by James Watson and Francis Crick. They proposed the three-dimensional model of DNA. They got Nobel Prize in 1962 for their discoveries. Chemical composition of DNA. DNA molecules. DNA is large molecules consisting of millions of nucleotides. It is also called polynucleotide. Hence it is called polynucleotide. Each nucleotide consists of 3 components. Each nucleotide consists of 3 components. First one, a sugar molecule, deoxyribose sugar. Second one, a nitrogenous base. The nitrogenous base have 2 types. There are 2 types of nitrogenous base in DNA. That is purine. Purine is 2. 2 is there. One is adenine, another one is guanine. The adenine and guanine together is called purine. Purines, adenine and guanine. Second one, pyrimidines. Pyrimidines is consist of 2 parts. One is cytosine, another one is thymine. Cytosine and thymine together, pyrimidines. Third one, a phosphate group. DNA consists three components. First one, sugar molecule. Second one, nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base is having two types. The one is purine, another one is pyrimidines. Third one, phosphate group. Nucleoside and nucleotide. Nucleoside. Nucleoside consists nitrogen base plus sugar. Nitrogen base, purine or pyrimidine plus sugar. Sugar deoxyribose sugar. Nucleotide. Nucleotide consists one nucleoside plus one phosphate. One nucleoside plus one phosphate. That is nucleotide. The nucleotides are formed according to the purines and pyrimidines present in them. Nucleotides are formed according to the purines and pyrimidines present in them. Purines, adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines, cytosine and thymine. Watson-Crick model of DNA. DNA molecule consists two polynucleotide chains. These chains form a double helix structure with two strands which run anti-parallel one another. Nitrogenous base in the center are linked to phosphate unit which form backbone of the DNA. In the center, nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base means adenine and guanine purines. Adenine, guanine purines. Thymine and cytosine pyrimidines. Purine and pyrimidine is nitrogenous base. The corner blue color box is sugar. At the corner next to the sugar, phosphate units. Sugar and phosphate units linked with the nitrogenous base is backbone of the DNA. Sugar and phosphate is the backbone of the DNA. Pairing the nitrogenous base in the center, pairing the nitrogenous base, very specific, always between the purine. Purine means adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine means thymine and cytosine. Then linked with the hydrogen bond. Two lines is there in the center. You see hydrogen bond is there. Two line is there. Two hydrogen bond. Three line is there. Three hydrogen bond. This is complementary base pairing. Hydrogen bond between the nitrogenous base make the DNA molecule stable. Each turn of double helix is 34 Armstrong, that is 3.4 nanometer. There are 10 base pair in the complete turn. 10 base pair. A nucleotide is a helix or joined together by phosphodiester bond. Erwin Chargaff stated that the DNA, the proportion of adenine is always equal to that thymine. Adenine is equal to thymine. Guanine is equal to cytosine. This is the double helix structure of DNA, that is anti-parallel to one another. DNA replication. DNA replication is one of the basic process occur in the cell, within the cell. Where is the DNA? Inside the cell, the nucleus is present. Inside nucleus, thread-like structure is there. There DNA is present. The DNA molecule produce exact carbon copies of its own structure is called replication of DNA. The two strands of DNA molecules have complementary base pair. Complementary base pair. That two strands Each strands provide the information needed to produce its new strand. The new strand that resulting daughter cells contain exactly the same genetic information of the parent cell. The specific point on the DNA where the replication begins is the site of origin of replication. Origin of replication. That point open the separate at the points forming the replication fork. Unwinding of DNA molecule. The enzyme called helicase. This is blue color helicase that separate the two strands of DNA. The single strands begin protein. The enzyme called topoisomerase separate the helical enzymes. The replication fork removes the twist forming the during unwinding process. Each separate DNA strands as the template. Formation of RNA primer. RNA primer is short segment of RNA nucleotide. The primer synthesizes DNA template close the RNA replication site. The synthesis of new complementary strand from the parent strand. After formation of RNA primer, nucleotide are added with the help of enzyme DNA polymerase. A new complementary strand of DNA is formed from the each parent strand. The synthesis are unidirectional. One strand, the daughter strand, is synthesized continuous strand which is called leading strand. In the other strand, a small segment is formed. This small segment is called Okazaki fragment. This small segment Greek color is formed. This is Okazaki fragment. This fragment is joined together. Enzyme is DNA helicase. The replication stop when the replication fork to site meet the called terminus. The meet called terminus, which is situated opposite to origin of replication fork. Significance of DNA. Significance means importance. It is responsible for the transmission of hereditary information from one generation to next generation. One generation means from the parent to young ones or grandparent to next generation, young ones. It contains information required for the formation of protein. It contains information required for the formation of proteins. It controls the developmental process and life activity of an organism. It controls the developmental process and life activities of an organism. Thank you. Thank you once again.